All right, folks, it's July, and that means that some of y'all are going to be getting ready to move into residence in September. So we've kind of created this list of resources that you can check up above that'll help you as you transition into this new part of your life. So coming in at number 5, you have a lot less time than you think you do left at home. So there's a packing list up above. I would recommend that you check it out. You know, it gives you things you should bring, it gives you things you maybe shouldn't bring, and that'll help you just kind of be prepared to survive on residence. At number 4, in the very same breath as number 5, you have a lot less time at home, which means a lot less time for home-cooked meals. And while Chartwell's is awesome, and we've included some details about what you can expect from your new caterer up above, make sure you make time for that mac and cheese, you know, that home-cooked spaghetti, those ribs, the chicken wings, whatever makes you happy as a home-cooked meal, get that in you. One of these days they're gonna come and it's gonna be gone, you're gonna be missing it. Number 3, you're kind of moving into a new space, so make sure you take the time to catch up with those friends and those family members that you might not be able to see as you transition into residence. Maybe it's friend, maybe it's aunt, maybe it's uncle, but seriously, nurture those relationships because you're gonna miss them. Number 2, if you haven't already, obviously you're moving into a new space and it helps to know what that place is going to look like, especially because you gotta like decorate it and then live in it. So if you haven't already seen the way that our residence rooms break down, we got like graphics and diagrams up above. Check it out, there's a link. And finally, coming in at number 1, you are not the only person impacted by this move into residence. I'm sure there's a lot of people that are helping you as you prepare, whether that's by grabbing supplies or just emotionally supporting you on this transition. So whoever the folks are in your life that are helping you, draw them near, share the love, throw a hug. Humber, we got you. We're going home.